Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for Jan 22nd, 2020. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. It was another low volume, low range day. Mixed close by the end of it. The Dow was lower by almost 10 points. The S&P 500 managed to gain just about 1 point, while the nasdaq was up 12, and the Russell gave back a point and a half. The bond market did move higher, albeit slightly, and the yield on the 10-year note settling at 1.774%. Crude oil pulling back sharply down, $1.64, 2.8% on oversupply concerns, while gold finished pretty much flat on the day, despite some strength in the U.S. dollar. Here it is against the CAD, and here's the dollar index. So now I did want to share with you one chart. Tesla, boy, the Tesla has been on just an enormous run lately, and really has a lot to do with short squeeze here. So this stock had a huge short float, still does, but what happens is when the stock starts moving higher, the short sellers reach a point where they have to buy the stock back to stop the pain. And that buying, along with everyone else buying, pushes the stock even higher. So it has gone on quite a run here. Excuse me, I'm really having trouble with this cough. I apologize. You can see today at 594.50 intraday before pulling back, but still closed higher by over 4%. Seems like it's doing that on a daily basis. So where can this one go? If we take our Fibonacci extension tool here and let's go from the recent high and low, you can see that now what's likely is we may get a retest of that 100% level at 540 before a run up to above over 600. So that's what looks most likely right now. Potentially can go much, much higher. So this stock is on quite the run and doesn't show any signs of slowing down. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.